Hey y'all, and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, please hit the subscribe button. And I also wanted to remind you guys about the Facebook group. It is all about Chebe and just your hair in general, taking care of your hair. And it doesn't have to be a certain brand or Chebe or a certain type of Chebe, like butter versus the powder versus the oil. Everybody is welcome to join. We kind of want to see how different products work and just kind of encourage each other on our hair journey. And today is my 4-week update on my application of Chebe, but this is the second month for, of course, this year that I'm going to update you guys. And if you don't know, we're doing the Chebe challenge for the entire year, and we're on month 2 now. It's not too late to join in and start. And what I'm using is the Naturefinity Simply Perfect Hair Butter. It looks like this, and the link will be in the description box, and it is on this side. And then on the other side, I'm using the powder, and it is on this side, front and back. So, and if you don't know, the powder, this was the light powder. This is what it looked like before. So it was that light powder, and I used it light for the first few applications, and then one suggested, or 2 people actually suggested, that I try just darkening it by roasting it, and so that's what I did. So now we are back to the dark powder, which I am so happy for. And then I also wanted to let you guys know like how I wear my hair. As soon as I get done applying my Chebe products, I put on this cap. It's like a wig cap, and that's all I do with my hair. Chebe at the beginning of February, and I didn't reapply anything except for water for the entire month of February, and my hair is still holding moisture pretty well. Like, I honestly feel like I could probably just spray water again and my hair will still do well, but I'm gonna go ahead and just reapply everything for the for this time, and we'll see how it goes for March. So with it being like, with me not having to reapply product, and y'all, like I said, y'all already know, if you're familiar with my channel, I'm super lazy. I'm a lazy natural, and I don't like doing my hair. So when Chebe came along and I could just apply once and just forget about it, you know, I was up for it. So this is the butter side. I'm just going to take down the threading, and I will let you guys see kind of the whole thing so that you can see how well it did. So this is the butter side, and you probably can't see my hands that well, but they're like moist. And so I don't know if you can even see my hair, or if you can like tell if it's still moist or not, but it is. So what I'm gonna do is just finger detangle it, and I won't do that on camera.